What's up everybody, Matt Maran here, and this is the Kia Stinger GTS, which was kind of a surprise here from Kia at the New York Auto Show. So basically, this is a limited edition version of the Kia Stinger GT, so that same powertrain with the twin-turbo V6, but the main thing here is that it's going to be available with a drift mode, so that's on both a rear-wheel drive version and this new dynamic all-wheel drive version, which has been reworked. But anyway, so there's this drive mode select, they call it, with comfort mode, which now sends 60% of the power to the rear in the all-wheel drive version. Sport mode sends 80% of the power to the rear, and then the drift mode sends 100% of the power to the rear wheels with the all-wheel drive version, and also holds gears without upshifting for awesome drifts. And that is really, really cool. It also means you also get a limited slip differential in even the all-wheel drive version. Previously, that was only on the rear-wheel drive version, so that's also very helpful. There's also new control logic for the transmission, stability control, all that kind of stuff. And so that's awesome. The only bummer is they're only making 800 of these, because this is such a brilliant thing. Now they're all going to be in this bright orange and stuff, so that could be limited, and I can understand that, but I really hope that those mechanical changes carry over to a normal production Stinger here eventually. Other enhancements you can see is the genuine carbon fiber everywhere, all over. All the accents that were previously, plastic or chrome in other Stingers are carbon fiber, real carbon fiber. You can also see a large Stinger badge there on the back versus the Kia badge you usually get. The steering wheel is covered in Alcantara, and so is some of the interior there. And overall, it's just a really sweet package. And the sweetest thing about it is it's actually based on a lower trim of the Stinger GT, but you still get like the Harman Kardon stereo and the sunroof, but you don't get like the adjustable bolster seats or anything like that. But because it's based on that lower one, the MSRP is going to be starting at $44,000 for the rear-wheel drive version and $46,500 for the all-wheel drive version. So I mean, really an impressive value, and just so awesome to have a drift mode in a Stinger. So the Stinger just continues to get better and better, and that was an awesome surprise here from Kia in New York. They also showed off the HabaNiro Concept, which is a little bit funny with the naming there, of course, but this is just a concept to probably show off some potential styling, and maybe they'll do something similar to this someday. But I mean, the butterfly doors, are obviously a concept thing. So is the whole interior. They also claim it would have theoretical level 5 autonomous driving, which is still a long time away from actually being able to be put in a production vehicle, or even being able to be level 5. That's still really hard to do. So this is all just definitely something that's just to imagine what the future could be like for Kia, but also very cool to see. But anyway, let me know your thoughts on the Stinger GTS there in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.